वेलकम टू वेल्स क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. म्हणटा तुमी सगळीं बरी आसली सावधानी भलायकेन. एंड आफ्टर सीइंग दिस यू मस्ट हॅव बीन नोईंग what I'm going to do with this sweet potato. And I'm going to make again a brownie which is sugar free and eggless and flourless. So what we need, we have to steam and boil or steam and cook our sweet potatoes. So these are 4 sweet potatoes I have taken. So it is like quarter kg of sweet potato. And then what else we need? We need some dark chocolate chips, that is around 50 gram. Then 100 grams of peanut butter. Then we need some 6 tablespoons of cocoa powder, that is like around 3/4 cup, but this is 6 tablespoons of this. Then we need half cup of this is almond, that is badam almond flour. Then we need around 2/3 that is 2/3 cup of jaggery powder. And after steaming, boiled, when it gets cooled down, so this is the puree of our sweet potato. Then we need 1.5 teaspoon of baking soda. So let's start. So now let's take this all dry, that is our jaggery, then our almond flour, cocoa powder, and mix this all. And we'll take our butter, peanut butter. And mix this all nicely. Then add our sweet potato puree. Mix all this nicely. So once this is mixed, we'll add now salt, little bit of salt to this, a pinch of salt, and baking soda we will add just before we could transfer. So preheat your oven 180 degree, and we have to bake this for 25 to 30 minutes. And choco chips will come on top of this. So now we will add our baking soda, 1.5, and mix it. Now we will grease our, anything you take, I am taking in this, grease it, and we will transfer this have to bake. We'll transfer this in this. And our chocolate chips on top. Now we'll bake this. And here we'll bake this now for 25 to 30 minutes. So I will keep it for 30 minutes on 180 degrees. I'll show you the result later.
And it's ready. Sweet potato brownie, eggless, sugarless, and flourless. Yummy, spongy, with choco chips. Thank you.